When it's hot, hot, hot during these dog days of summer, there's nothing more refreshing than lemonade. So since this is the last few days of National Blueberry Month, I thought I would make some blueberry lemonade. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's make some lemonade. One of my favorite lemonades for summer is this one. It is the Simply Lemonade, and as you can see, we've already been sipping on this, but then I also like to add some flavors to it. And I did make a raspberry lemonade earlier in the summer, so I will link that above and below so you can check that out if you're so inclined. But I thought blueberry lemonade would be great today, so I've got some blueberry syrup that I made last week, and I thought it would be perfect to use for this lemonade. And this is a really easy lemonade. I mean, it's really like no muss and no fuss. You just decide how much you want to make. And you can make it by the glass or make it by the pitcher. That's up to you. Then I'll put a glass of lemonade like this into my food processor. And then I'll add a couple of tablespoons of my blueberry syrup. And I'll show you just a little snippet of how I made the syrup. And then I like to add a little crushed ice. So let me grab that. Little crushed ice. Now we'll take the glass and then we'll roll the edges of it in some sugar. So now we've got the edges of the glass coated with sugar. Now we'll pour in our blueberry lemonade. And for a little garnish, we can add some frozen blueberries. Give it a stir, and we've got some cool, refreshing blueberry lemonade. I like to get the sugar off the edge. Mmm. Mmm. It's really good. So it's really easy when you start out with pre-made lemonade, and you need to start with a really good lemonade and then blueberry syrup. And like I said, I made my own blueberry syrup, and I'll show you a snippet of how I made that. So if you have questions about how I made the blueberry syrup, I'll get that video made and I'll put it up so that you can take a look at it. In the meantime, let me show you this bar cart. And here's my summer bar cart. Styled out for summer and representing for blueberry. You can see where I keep my wine goblets there. And my wine atop the cart there. And I switched out my ice buckets and a couple other things to bring in the lavender for summer. Now before I forget, let me take this opportunity to thank Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime and Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget for hosting this summer bar cart collaboration. What they wanted us to do was to create a summer drink as well as show off our summer bar carts. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.